Hi guys, this is Tracy, the seat cover gal with Jay's Equipment Seat Covers, and we just wanted to show you our super high back seat cover. Now I'm standing on a Cat 312E Excavator, and this is the right size cover for the seat in this machine. Now if you run equipment, if you own equipment, you understand that the seats wear out really easily, so we have a super heavy duty seat cover to help remedy that issue. You can put one on a brand new seat to keep it nice and clean, or you can put one over an old ratty seat to make it look like new. This is a heavy-duty canvas material. It has reinforced stitching. It has a sewn-in shock cord to keep it on the seat, and it also has a pocket here for your personal items. This is a really great way to protect your seat, and you all know how expensive it can be to replace a seat in a machine like this. So for a fraction of the cost, you can get one of our heavy equipment seat covers. Take care of that. We have an entire line of seat covers on our website at www.equipmentseatcovers.com. They cover everything from small tractors all the way up to large excavators. That's www.equipmentseatcovers.com. Again, this is Tracy, the seat cover gal with Jay's Heavy Equipment Seat Covers. See ya!